Okay, 30-year bonds today. It is June 4th, 2015. Let's see, where do we start? What time did I take a trade? Okay, I took a trade around 4. So that was, yeah, it was on this bar. I was playing this pullback, and I did get a few ticks here. Got a different indicator here. This is a little TTM scalp indicator, and then here's the EMA cross. So Evie, I'm doing this for you, but you can see early there were the pink arrow is the EMA cross, and the yellow is the scalper. So you had a scalper, and then you had the cross. There was a nice down signal. I like this one. I didn't take this, and sure should have. But I had the scalper and then the EMA. So the key to this is going to be having these two in sync and not out of sync. Like we have an EMA down, and then we have this firing up. Even though that worked, they're out of sync there. You had the EMA down, you had this, so you could have got something, but then you have this one fire and then the EMA, and then look what you get. But then you have these two fire, but the EMA is still up, so you leave those alone. Yeah, you could have got something, but it would have been a tough. And these don't paint until after this bar, the second bar closes, so it's a tough one. Here though, you still had an EMA up, and you get the scalper up, so you could have got in right here about 150, 150.24, 150.25. That'd have been fantastic. A little late afternoon. I mean, look at that. It doesn't look like much. Let's say you got 150.25, and you take this thing up to the next signal, which is that's almost a full point, but let's say you just get 20 ticks out of it. Still, that's freaking fantastic. Here at the end of the day, look, we have another scalper, and you still have a good solid EMA. So I think the key to this, when we're playing with this, is having them in sync, and when they're not in sync, you pass. But here's the EMA, there's a signal, you take it. Here's the scalper alert, here's the EMA, you take it. That's interesting, it's on the same bar. Here you have a scalper, but you don't have an EMA, so you leave it. Here you could, but that's quick. Here you go. You got up, so you wouldn't have got into this guy until here. So that was a quick out, but immediately it turns, so that gives you something. If you had gotten in on this bar, you get out on this bar when that thing fires back up. Okay, so what you got? You get in on this bar, or you wait till the EMA changes. Probably take it. I like it. I'm going to do some back testing on it and see what it looks like some more this weekend. I have more time this weekend. I've got a daughter graduating high school, and we've got all kind of stuff going on, but there'll be some back testing done on this at a later date. Anyway, that's what I have for 30-year bonds. There was a good move if you caught some of it. I didn't catch it. I did catch some of this. Caught some of this. I even took a little trade here. Every one of them worked, so I made almost 10 ticks today, so it wasn't bad. And I'm just being kind of light with all the news. So anyway, that's what I got. Thanks.